Hi guys, hope you're having a good day. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a live wallpaper on iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS and iPhone X. For today's video, I have downloaded this app from the App Store to show you the process. The link of the app will be in the description below. If you want, you can download it from there. So to start, first open the app. Now here you can see lots of live wallpapers are there. Choose any live wallpaper from them and you can save it from the app. What's good about this app is that it has lots of categories that has quite a significant number of live wallpapers in it. So I will choose and save this wallpaper. So to do that, I will tap the save button here. Now it will show a pop-up that the live photo has been saved successfully. Live photo will be saved to your Photos app. Now let's go to the Photos app. Open the camera roll. Now select the wallpaper that you have just downloaded. Now tap the share button at the bottom left of the screen. Here you will see a scrollable option at the bottom of the screen. Scroll it and find the Use as Wallpaper option. Then tap it. Now in this screen, be sure to enable the live photo option. Otherwise, if you select the still option, the live wallpaper won't animate on your lock screen. So select the live photo option. Now after that, select the set button. Three options will come here. Be sure to select the set lock screen option, because live wallpapers only animate on the lock screen of an iPhone. It won't animate on home screen. It's Apple rules. So we'll select the set lock screen option here. And after that, we will just lock this screen, lock it, and then tap on this screen and the live wallpapers will animate. So that's it guys. I hope I was able to show you the process of setting a live wallpaper on iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS and iPhone X. Hope to see you in the next video. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.